Capital One versus Huntington Bank. Which is better? In this video, we'll compare Capital One and Huntington Bank to help you decide which one is the better fit for your banking needs. Links to both products are in the description below for more information. Let's dive into the key features of each. Starting with Capital One, this bank offers a strong online and mobile banking platform, making it a great choice for digital-first banking. Capital One provides a wide range of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. Its 360 Performance Savings Account is especially popular for its competitive interest rates. One of Capital One's standout features is its no-fee structure, with no monthly maintenance fees on many accounts. Capital One's mobile app is highly rated, allowing users to easily manage accounts, pay bills, and track rewards. However, its branch presence is limited compared to traditional banks, which could be a downside for those who prefer in-person banking. Huntington Bank, on the other hand, combines digital banking with a significant branch network, particularly in the Midwest. This makes Huntington a great choice for those who value both online convenience and the option of walking into a branch when needed. Huntington's asterisk-free checking account is one of its most popular products, offering no monthly maintenance fees with no minimum balance requirements. The bank is also known for its 24-hour grace period on overdrafts, which can be a big help if you occasionally mismanage your account. Huntington's mobile banking app is also well regarded, though it doesn't have quite the same level of rewards, tracking, or integration as Capital One's app. In conclusion, if you prioritize digital banking with a focus on savings and credit cards, Capital One is an excellent choice, especially for those who can do without a physical branch. However, if you need physical branch access and value features like the 24-hour grace period, or need a more personal banking experience, Huntington Bank might be the better option. Check the links in the description to explore more about each bank and make the best decision for your financial goals.